Now here in Ontario, a rare sitting of the legislature today, and Cynthia Mulligan has been following everything coming out of Queen's Park. Cynthia, what did we learn today?
Well, Janella, a lot of new developments out of Queen's Park today. The state of emergency has been extended until at least May 12th, and Doug Ford confirmed school will not resume May 4th. And he announced he is tackling the devastating spread of COVID-19 in long-term care homes. Roughly half of all deaths in the country are linked to these homes, and the Premier is now redeploying teams of hospital staff to the hardest hit.
We're in the fight of our lives right now, and our enemy is ruthless. It preys on our seniors and the most vulnerable. And the reality is, despite our best efforts, we're dealing with a wildfire at our long-term care homes right now.
The Premier says the big curve expected or feared in hospitals has not happened, so some frontline hospital staff will be moved to long-term care homes that need help, and infection control specialists will be sent in. The provincial government also announced a new emergency order that will ban workers from doing shifts in multiple homes. That practice has largely contributed to the devastating spread. It was a lesson learned during SARS, but nothing changed.
Going forward, do you think that this is a change that should be permanent? That long-term care workers can only work in one home and be paid a salary so they can survive on that instead of working part-time hours in multiple homes?
This is just a personal view, and I have to rely on our chief medical officer and our health team. Personally, yes. My heart breaks for these people. They deserve every penny, 10 times more than that as well. But again, that's my personal opinion. I will take the advice from our chief medical officer and the team and long-term care as well.
The changes can't come soon enough. Another outbreak has been confirmed here at the Eatonville Care Centre. 25 residents have died as a result. The home also has 49 COVID-19 cases with 6 more test results pending. The province says there are 136 reported deaths, according to Doug Ford, in long-term care with outbreaks at 114 of the homes. And as I mentioned earlier, the state of emergency has been extended in Ontario for at least 4 more weeks. And Premier Ford confirmed school will not resume May 4th. That's really no surprise, but he did add it does not mean the school year is cancelled, and says the Minister of Education will have an announcement in the next couple of days.